Is Smashoid really a great and easy way to earn $5 per 100 word you write, even if you have no experience, as it might look like on the website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and quite a few viewers have recently asked me about this platform, and therefore I decided to take a look myself. And in this Smashoid review, I will show you more about what you can expect and what you need to be aware of, in my opinion, before you start writing for this platform, even though it can seem very promising if you want to earn some extra money online. So let's just start by going over the basic of what Smashoid is. Or I honestly don't even know if I pronounce it correctly. So no, please don't make fun of me if that's the case. I have no idea how you pronounce this word. But anyways, this is the platform. You can see I'm on it now. But what it is a platform with a lot of different articles about a lot of different topics. And they need someone to write all this. They make money from ads. It's very clear when you move around on the website. There's so many ads popping up. So that's how they make money. But they need to have a lot of content and hopefully then get traffic, and then they will make money like that. So they are willing to pay people to write. So you can see on the website it says write and get paid. But please watch all of this before you go there and do this, because you need to be aware of some very, very important details before doing that. So let's go over how you potentially do this and if it's worth it. So if you are looking for ways to make extra money online and have been looking for ways to get paid to write, I do understand why this can seem appealing at first, because it's quite easy compared to many other platforms. There's not any real requirements. Of course, you need to have great English skills, as they say, but other than that, also, you don't need any experience. They say that very clearly. And also, if you go to these author requirements, you can see that the article should just be a minimum of 300 words. 300 words is like nothing. It can take it doesn't take any time. If you're good at writing and good at doing research, it takes like nothing, you know. It can be about basically any topic. You can see more about that. They have some of these different headlines and it needs to be within that, but that can basically be any topic, right? And when I look around the articles, they're not very good. They don't have high requirements, in my opinion, for writers. So it really does not even require a lot of skills, in my opinion, when I look at it compared to other websites with a lot of information. They're short articles, not really great articles, so it doesn't really require a lot, in my opinion. So definitely I understand why it can seem appealing. However, there's some very, very important things you need to be aware of also. First of all, you also need to find the images, which will also take time. Secondly, there's no guarantee that just because you submit articles that you will get accepted. They say that you can submit unlimited number of articles, but they do not guarantee that because you submit something that you will be approved. So you might put in quite a bit of effort to write a lot of articles, and if they do not accept them, there's nothing you can really do about that. So you potentially end up wasting your time writing. I will go over a little bit later about how you can make sure that whatever you write will benefit you in the long run, because you will be doing it for yourself, but a little bit more about that later. But that's one thing you need to be aware of when it comes to this website, that there is no guarantee you will get paid for your effort. Secondly, there is no guarantee you will get paid even if you get accepted. So let's go over why that is, because that also comes down to how they pay you. So when you go to the write and get paid site, you can see there's something called publisher rates. And this means that if they decide to publish your article, then you will not get paid just like some websites will pay you a one-time fee saying, okay, we accept your article, it's good enough. Here you go, here is like $100 or something like that. There are actually websites that will pay that. I have a video about one option. I will leave a link in the top corner there. The requirements there are also a lot higher, but that's like a one-time payment fee. But here they will pay you based on how many views you get. And you see, for example, it says you can get $15 and then it says Angola. This is not where you're from. This is where the traffic that visits the articles are from. If 1,000 views comes from Angola, you would earn $15. So you might think like $15, I need to write 300 words. It's like nothing, and it could potentially be even more if more people view it. So that would be like $5 per 100 words. And if I have like 10,000 views, no, it'll be really good earnings per word compared to what you usually get for websites like this. But this is for Angola. Look here then. That's not a lot of traffic they will get from that. So example, if they get 1,000 views from the US, you would get $6. This is per article. If one of your articles get that, right, then you would get $6 for 1,000 views. But there's no guarantee it will ever reach 1,000 views. But of course, if you publish more, then overall your views can accumulate. But see, it goes down there for these different countries. It gets lower and lower, and like they also have something for like worldwide, like all countries, then it would be $1 for 1,000 views. 1,000 views for one article is a lot. I can tell you, I also have a website, and getting 1,000 views on one article is quite a lot, especially on a website like this, where it's not very good quality articles. So I really don't think they get that much organic traffic, for example. But you can see some examples of it. If you go to the website, you can see it says this one, for example, it has 392 views. This one, 102 views. And these ones are even on the front page of the website, 55 views. You see, we scroll down there, here, 400 views. We can scroll down there, it's the same all of them. We can take, let's say this lifestyle, then you can see here's another one, 55 views on the front page of that category, 70 views, 50 views, see 500. This one, has more than 500 views. We can jump to page 5 just to see there. This one has been there for quite a while, 244, 79 views. You see, this one almost reached 1,000 views. But where do those views come from? If they come from like countries where they don't pay a lot, maybe that person would then earn $1 or something like that, right? So this is another thing. You can see the articles do not get a lot of views. So you would need to write a lot of articles to potentially build it up to earn just a few dollars. So it can be a way to earn, it can be a way to get paid to write even as a beginner. But in my opinion, it's not a very effective way. It will take a lot of effort for potentially very, very low earnings. So if you do like writing, then I would recommend you something else instead. So let's just talk a little bit about that. So I actually do know quite a lot about writing articles. I have a website with a lot of articles and reviews myself, and I've spent a lot of time writing articles for this website, and I still spend a lot of time doing that because I do love sharing my experience and helping people, and I do like writing and recording videos also. And I would say if you love writing and you want to do something that long term can give the best benefits, I would recommend that you start writing for yourself. And this can be about any topic if you just learn to do it correctly. What is important is that you do learn how to set it up so your blog can eventually attract traffic, and then you are completely in control. What you do now, yes, it will not pay off here and now because it takes time to build up, but what you then put in now will give returns, maybe in 3 months, in 6 months, and then just continue to give returns there instead of putting in a lot of effort to maybe earn $1 to $5 here and now. So I would say if you are thinking long term and really love to write and want to earn by writing, then you should learn to do that properly. But when I first started the website, I spent quite a lot of time just trying it out myself, and I made a lot of mistakes that meant that I didn't really get any traffic, I didn't get any views, and thereby also not any earnings. So I decided eventually to learn how to do it properly, and I would recommend that if you want to do this, if you take it serious, then I would recommend that you get some basic training to learn to do that. I have some more information. I will leave a link below to my top recommended method to do that, where you can learn everything step by step and where you can get all the support you need. That can really help you to do a lot better, a lot faster. So that's what I personally would recommend if you are serious about wanting to make a living by writing. So to sum it all up, Smashoid, or whatever the name is not a very good way to earn by writing. There are platforms that will pay you when you just submit articles and all that, and I think they can be worth it, but still again, it's more short term here and now, but they definitely pay better than this platform. This platform itself, because of the way where you get paid for 1,000 views and the rate for that, it's just really, really hard to earn, especially because the article qualities are not very good. So it definitely takes some patience because the traffic is not that high on the website. But if you're a complete beginner and you just really want to get started fast, then it can be a method because it is quite easy to get accepted. They do not have that high requirements to get accepted as a writer here. So that's definitely a plus, but you really need to do it with the right expectations. Personally, in my opinion, it's not something that I would do. I told you a little bit more about what I would recommend if you're serious about this, but even if you do not want to build up your own website or your own blog, then I would recommend finding other methods to get paid to write, because there just are better options in my opinion, and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.